अरे 5 मिनट है, जल्दी करो.
Hello guys, as you know we have purchased Reliance Jio hotspot which is known as JioFi device. This is the bill and they haven't given us the SIM which is written here, SIM due, you can see that, and the price of this product is quoted, the price quoted on the device is 2899. Price quoted on the device is 2899 as you can see here, but it is selling at the rate of 1999, which is just because the price has gone down. Nothing else to see on the bill, and we can proceed for the unboxing. As you can see that I have already unboxed it, and I would like to remove that. And there's something here which is, I think it is safety purpose for the retailers, so that no one can steal and go out without getting scanned. So guys, this is a packaging of JioFi hotspot. Let me give an overview. The price quoted at here is 2899. Net quantity: one router is one USB adapter, USB cable, a battery, and QSG, I don't know what is that, and a warranty card. Manufacture 7/2016. Nothing else we can do here. There's a barcode. Support micro SD card. It also support micro SD card, wireless sharing through SD card. Connect up to 31 devices. It can connect up to 31 devices and enables Jio voice. You can call from that. And battery 2300 mAh, which will give us a good. Okay guys, so this is what a Jio hotspot look like. This is pretty cool. It's a nice color. Very light device. It's good that it is very light. I don't think the battery is plugged in. That's why it's very light. And we'll see that. But we should take a look at the box. What is that? What is there? After unboxing it, we will receive. There's nothing in here. I think so. Yep, there's nothing. It's a guide to how to install JioJoin in your phone and then make calls through it. It's a warranty card for JioFi device, a limited warranty, terms and condition, etc. You can see that. We will see that later. After that, 5 steps to be connected where it's a user guide for JioFi device. There's a USB adapter here, which is quite of a good quality, but not kind of Samsung we provide. But it's not of Samsung, so I will expect that. Charger, it's locked. We will unbox it. We will open it. So we can see it's a travel adapter, which is 5 volt, 1 ampere, 0.2 ampere, sorry, and it is made in China. It is okay for a device having 2300 mAh battery. The battery is quite heavy, you can see that, and do not use the other specified charger. It is 2300 mAh battery, and it is required to be put here. We will do that, and we will see if the device is connected. They have not provided us the SIM because the SIM was out of stock, and they told us that SIM will be given on Monday. We will search. We will open that. There's a place for SIM card here, and there's a place for memory card here, which supports up to 32 GB memory card. I think so. Yes, 32 GB memory card. Nothing else here. Caution: remove the SIM adapter below. Place SIM card on the adapter and insert back. Okay. So there's an adapter here. I think it will support a micro SD card. We'll put the battery inside and see if micro SIM card. Sorry, baby. We'll put the battery here. I think it will be charged enough for the review at least. We'll put back that in.
12 सेकंड आराम से.
Okay, bye.